dear student of class 7, today I will teach you speed, time and distance. Exercise 10a. Question number now 9. Question number 1 to 8 I taught you in my previous video. Okay. Now question number 9. Lamp posts are placed 30 meter apart. How long will a car travel at a 45 kilometer per hour to take 6 lamp posts, not counting the first of them? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 30 meter, 30 meter, 30 meter, 30 meter, 30 meter. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So total distance equal to 30 into 5 equal to 50 meter. Okay. And speed of car equal to 45 kilometer per hour. So we have to find the time. It is in meter, so convert it into meter per second. 45, 5 upon 18, 9 2s are 9 5s are, it is 25 upon 2 meter per second. Then you have to find the time. Time equal to distance upon speed. Distance 150 upon speed, 25 upon 2. 150 into 2 upon 25. 25 ones are 25 6 are 150. 6 2s are 12 second. Okay, dear student, this is the answer. Question number 11. A truck and a bus started off at 10:30. A truck and a bus started off at 10:30 a.m. Okay. From opposite ends. Suppose that truck from here and bus from here started. Okay. Then the truck traveled at speed of 40 kilometer per hour and the bus traveled at the speed of 54 kilometer per hour. Okay. If they passed each other at 1 p.m., they passed each other at 1 p.m., it means duration is time. What is the time duration? Equal to 1 p.m. is 13 minus 10:30 equal to, it is 2:30, means 2 hour 30 minute, means 2 whole 1 upon 2 hour and 2 hour. This is the time. So we have to find the total distance. See, we have to find the distance covered by truck in 2 whole 1 upon 2 hours, and we have to find the distance covered by truck by bus in 2 whole 1 upon 2 hours. Means the distance covered by truck in 2 whole 1 upon 2 hours and distance covered by bus in 2 whole 1 upon 2 hours. Then we will add That will be total distance. Okay, dear students, total distance covered by truck in 2 whole 1 upon 2 hours means 5.2 hours plus distance covered by bus in 5.2 hours. Okay, equal to distance equal to speed into time, speed into time 5.2 plus for bus speed 54 upon into 5.2, this 20, this 27, it is 100 plus 135, 5 7 35, 5 to the 10, 13, it is 235 kilometer. This is the total distance. Okay, dear students, average speed. What is the average speed? So average, how you will find the average speed? Average speed equal to total distance upon total time. Okay, this is the formula. On the basis of this formula, we have to do question number 14. Ajay walked at an average speed of 8 kilometer per hour for 45 minutes and then ran at an average speed of 12 kilometer per hour for 40 minutes. What was his average speed for the whole journey? Okay, first speed first condition, speed equal to 8 kilometer per hour for walking. Okay, speed and time equal to 45 minutes. Convert it into hours. 15 3s are 15 4s are, it is 3 upon 4. Then distance equal to speed into time. Speed 8 into 3 upon 4, 4 2s are 8, it is 2 3s are 6 kilometer. For running speed equal to 12 kilometer per hour and time equal to 40 minutes, means 40 upon 60 hour. 0 0 2 2s are 2 3s are 2 upon 3 hour. Then distance equal to speed into time. Speed equal to 12 into 2 upon 3, 3 4s are, it is 8. Total distance equal to 6 plus 8 equal to 14 kilometer. Total time is taken equal to 3 upon 4 plus 2 upon 3. Okay, we have got already. Then we have to simplify this. 3 4 multiply by 3 to make denominator same. By 4 you multiply. 9 upon 12 plus 8 upon 12, it is 17 upon 12. So now average speed equal to total distance upon total time. Total distance 14 upon total time, 17 upon 12, 12 will go up, 14 into 12 upon 17, it is 14 2s are 28, 14 1s are 14, and 2 16, 78. Now you divide 168, 17, 9s are 153, it is 5 1. Then 9 whole 15 upon 17 kilometer per hour. This is the average speed. Okay, dear students, this is the answer.